How to fix Lorex app not working. So to do that, you need to first check if your app is updated or not. To check that, you may just go to your Google Play Store. If you're on Android, just go to the search bar and search for the app. After searching for it, just tap on the app, and here you may be able to see the update option if your app needs any kind of update. If you see the update option, just tap on update and see if that makes any changes. If that doesn't do it, then the next option is you need to go to the settings of that app. For that, long press on it and tap on this eye icon. After that, just go to the stories of the app, tap on stories, and here you see clear cache and clear data option. What you need to do is just tap on clear cache and clear data. That will help to refresh and reset your app. And even after this process doesn't work, what you can do is just uninstall the application from your device. Just long press it and you get the option of uninstalling this app. Just tap on OK. After the installation is complete, just reinstall the application into the device, and that will help you fix the issue of your app not working. And that will help you to fix the issue of your app not working. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.